So I'm using the standard time profile what we have used in the unified planning area. So this is a normal template. This needs to be saved as a CSV file and then load. Normally what we do is we get it from the existing standard planning area, right? If there are any changes to, if we are going to continue with the levels as is, like that means starting with day level, technical week.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
You will see those 6 levels available in this Excel. Okay, I'm getting a message indicating my internet connection is unstable. So please let me know if my voice gets lost from there. Then these are the standard period IDs, which SAP system internally tries to understand what period it belongs to, etc. So we can ignore that, right? And normally we will use the available template. So these will be already pre-filled, right? Period start, period end, right? It's a 24 bucket. I don't know why it's, yeah. So why it's showing this way? So if you look at the details here, it's a daily bucket. Okay, level 1 minimum level is a daily bucket. Okay, right? And then the period description is also mentioned in a date format in this case, right? So that means all the information related to level 1, you will see 1 day of a period. Okay, and here in this case we are initializing the periods from 2011. Okay, now this can be also question that what should be our starting period, right? Whenever we are implementing our project, right? So normal case, you will see maximum you will find 5 years of sales history to be made visible in IBP as a requirement, right? I don't think anybody would ask sales history beyond that, right? So I would say if we are in 2022, you can at least make sure your time profile has periods starting from 2017 onwards, right? That should be sufficient. We can delete the remaining entries from the template. If I look at level 2, after day level, we have technical week level, right? So you would see dates in start and end, but the description is always in the technical week level, right? So here, if you see example, the one which we discussed yesterday. Hi.
Can you please repeat the first level?
Yeah.
In a sentence, that is enough.
Yeah. First level is the lowest level, which is day level in our standard unified planning area, right? So what you will see is, maybe if I just go back to the level 1, you will see 1 day bucket in each row, starting from 1st January, then 2nd January, 3rd January, 4th January, and so on, right? Okay, so let me scroll down to the last number. It is till 31st of December 2025 for next, let's say, 3 years. This is the day level information you may receive or you may get maximum as part of this planning area. That's what we have configured, right? Now question is, for example, you are starting with a new fresh implementation in this month. Your client requirement is maximum 5 years of sales history is sufficient. So you will make sure that your day bucket will start at least from the 5 years back. So for example, January 2017 as an example, right? From there it will start, and from the focus perspective, client will say, I'm okay to have focus for next 3 years. So you will make sure your future period of till 31st December 2025 has a day bucket mentioned in this Excel, right? You'll keep that much of information here in each row. One row belongs to one day, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Got it.
basically we are guiding the system to know that these are the time granularities I should have in my database in a day level.
Yeah, you said about 2017.
Right.
So at least in this, instead of 2011, it is not needed. Say, for example, at
Correct.
least. Okay, then delete these, at least these entries, something like that.
Correct.
Okay, now I got it.
From
You
the
said
Excel.
about 2017, but I couldn't grasp the
Correct.
previous topic, but now I got it. Thanks.
Correct. Right.
We can jump to the second one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
Now, after day level, what is the next level available for us is technical week, right? And you see, for each technical week, we have the technical week described here. Okay. And yesterday we also discussed about a month where a technical week is getting split. So it will be shown as technical week 9A and technical week 9B. Right? This could be, maybe I'll go back to 20, this November case. Let's see. It will be easy to understand there. Right. So 2022. Right. So you see, end of November, which is technical week 48. We saw that yesterday, right? 28, 29, and 30. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. 28 November till 30th of November belongs to technical week 48A. And 1st of December till 4th of December will belong to technical week B. This is the way.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Indirectly, we are guiding the system that when a planner is going to review the information in day bucket or in technical week bucket, how system will understand that which technical week belongs to which month, which date, etc. Right? This is the background configuration. Right? Normally, you don't need to be worried about it. It will be provided by SAP as a starting point Excel. Now, in this case, I had used the Excel starting from 2011 and loaded it into system. You may decide to restrict the data from 2017 onwards to 2025. So you will only keep those entries in this Excel and upload it. Right? We'll see later how to upload the time profile, etc. Right? Now, the next level at which we want to also have data in IBP, which is calendar week level. So automatically, if you look at level 3, you will see calendar week information. Right? Level 4 will be month. Right? Level 5 will be quarter. Right? And level 6 will be year. Right? Simple information. This is the configuration required, which needs to be attached to the planning area so that planning area understand that my planning area, this planning area has day level information from this date till this date. This planning area will have technical week level information from this date to this date and so on till year.